What are you really made of? Let's zoom inside an atom and meet the tiny particles that build everything. In the center sits the nucleus. Protons carry a positive charge. Neutrons have no charge. Both have a mass of 1. Electrons are negative and orbit the nucleus in energy levels. Their mass is so tiny, we call it negligible. Atoms are neutral because protons equal electrons. And remember, a molecule is not a subatomic particle. Don't confuse them. Remember PEN. Protons positive, electrons negative, neutrons neutral. That's your exam shortcut. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.